Grasshoppers are fascinating insects that belong to the order Orthoptera and the suborder Silifera. Known for their powerful jumping ability, grasshoppers are found all over the world, especially in grasslands, forests, and agricultural fields. They are most recognized for their long hind legs that allow them to leap great distances and their chirping sounds, produced by rubbing their wings or legs together. Grasshoppers have a distinct body structure with three main parts: the head, thorax, and abdomen. They possess two pairs of wings, with the front pair being tough and protective, while the hind pair is more delicate and used for flight. Their hind legs are long and muscular, specifically adapted for jumping. Grasshoppers also have large compound eyes that provide a wide field of vision, and antennae that help them sense their surroundings. Grasshoppers typically range from 2 to 5 inches in length, depending on the species, and come in various colors, from green to brown, helping them blend into their natural environments as a form of camouflage. Some species are brightly colored, especially those that live in more open areas, using these colors as a warning to predators about their potential toxicity. One of the most impressive features of grasshoppers is their ability to jump. Their hind legs function like springs, allowing them to launch themselves distances up to 20 times their body length. This adaptation helps them escape predators quickly and navigate through their environment efficiently. In addition to jumping, many grasshoppers are also capable of flight. While they are not long-distance flyers like other insects, they can use their wings to travel short distances or glide after a jump, further enhancing their ability to evade predators. Grasshoppers are primarily herbivores, feeding on a wide variety of plants, including grasses, leaves, and crops. Their mouthparts are well suited for chewing plant material, and they are often considered agricultural pests due to their voracious appetite. In fact, a large swarm of grasshoppers can devastate crops, leading to significant losses in agriculture. Some grasshopper species are known to be opportunistic feeders, occasionally consuming other insects or dead organic matter if plant resources are scarce. Grasshoppers undergo incomplete metamorphosis, meaning they go through 3 life stages: egg, nymph, and adult. The life cycle begins when a female grasshopper lays her eggs in the soil, often during the late summer or early fall. These eggs remain dormant through the winter and hatch in the spring when conditions are favorable. The nymphs that hatch from the eggs resemble small adults but lack fully developed wings. As they grow, they molt several times, shedding their exoskeleton and gradually developing wings and reproductive organs. This process usually takes a few weeks to months, depending on environmental conditions. Once fully mature, the adult grasshoppers are capable of reproducing. Grasshoppers are known for the chirping or stridulating sounds they make, especially during mating season. This sound is produced by males rubbing their wings or legs against each other in a behavior known as stridulation. The chirping is primarily used to attract females, and different species have distinct songs that help them identify each other. In addition to stridulation, grasshoppers use their antennae to communicate and sense their surroundings. Antennae allow them to detect changes in their environment, such as the presence of predators or food. Grasshoppers are preyed upon by a wide variety of animals, including birds, reptiles, amphibians, and other insects like spiders and mantises. To protect themselves, grasshoppers rely on their excellent jumping ability to quickly escape danger. Some species have developed additional defenses. For example, certain grasshoppers can secrete toxic chemicals that make them unpalatable to predators. Their camouflage also helps them blend into their surroundings, making it harder for predators to spot them. While most grasshoppers are solitary, some species, like locusts, can form massive swarms under specific environmental conditions. These swarms, which can number in the billions, travel long distances and consume everything in their path, including crops and vegetation. This swarming behavior is triggered by changes in population density, leading to a shift from solitary to group behavior. Locust swarms are infamous for causing widespread destruction and have been recorded throughout history as a major threat to agriculture. Grasshoppers play a crucial role in ecosystems as herbivores. By consuming plants, they help control vegetation growth and serve as a food source for numerous predators. Their feeding habits can influence the composition of plant communities, and their droppings contribute to soil fertility. Grasshoppers are also important in food chains, serving as a key food source for many birds, reptiles, and small mammals. Their abundance makes them a critical link in the transfer of energy through ecosystems. Grasshoppers have a complex relationship with humans. In many regions, they are considered pests because of the damage they cause to crops, especially during swarming events. Farmers and agricultural experts use a variety of methods to control grasshopper populations, including pesticides and biological controls like introducing natural predators. In contrast, grasshoppers are also viewed as a source of food in some cultures. In parts of Africa, Asia, and Latin America, they are harvested, roasted, and consumed as a source of protein. Grasshoppers are remarkable insects with unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in various environments. Their powerful legs for jumping, ability to produce sounds, and complex life cycle all contribute to their survival. Although they are sometimes seen as pests, they play an important role in natural ecosystems and continue to captivate scientists and nature enthusiasts alike.